At maximum capacity, the Kogi State rice milling plant, located on 800 hectares in Ejiba, Yaba West local government area of Kogi State, is designed to create 6,000 jobs, direct and indirect. The rice mill is part of the projects embarked upon by the Yahaya Bello administration.
Directly, we shall be generating over, in addition to what we have generated or what are generated, over 120 million every month into our IGR in Kogi State. We will not make mouths, but silently and quietly, we are going to pull out our people out of poverty. The restive youths, we are going to pull them out of unemployment, and our people will be good for it.
The plant can easily run over 3,000 tons of rice per month and over 36,000 tons per year. This is equivalent to the production of over 720,000 tons of rice bags per year. Currently, the industry has 800 hectares nucleus rice farm that feeds the processing plant. The industry will also purchase paddy rice from local farmers across the state and also increase the capacity of its nucleus farm to meet up with milling plant production capacity per year. The Kogi State rice milling process will not only produce finished international standard rice, but also byproducts such as rice bran, brown rice, rice husk, and broken rice, among others. It also operates an independent power generating plant in excess of 300 kilowatts. The plant runs on 2 sessions, day and night shifts, each shift producing over 50 tons of finished confluence rice. The Kogi State rice milling industry, through the processing operation, gives more nutritive food and conserves rice by way of recoveries. It also increases the shelf life of rice. By the establishment of the rice milling industry, Governor Yahaya Bello is using one stone to kill 2 birds. While fighting food insecurity by increasing food production, he is also fighting the scourge of unemployment by creating direct and indirect jobs. This is what the New Direction government stands for.